Hi, this is Aina and welcome to my YouTube channel. The house that we will feature today is a home for a family of 5 in Carmona, Cavite. It has almost 200 square meter lot area with 2 floors and rooftop. It has living, dining, bar area, kitchen, laundry, playroom, guest room, entertainment room, kids room, master bedroom, and 2 toilet and bath with master toilet and bath. It also has a garage that can accommodate 2 cars. The client's favorite color was orange, and he requested for all the walls to be painted with this color. However, it is not advisable to paint all the walls orange because it is such a bold color and can be an eyesore. We opted to paint the walls with lighter shade of beige with an orange accent. Just like we always say, no space left behind. We make sure to add some style even in the most unthought of spaces, just like this space underneath the stairs. The client also requested to have a bar area where he can display his collection of wine and liquors. We intentionally placed the bar area adjacent to the living area to showcase the client's collection. The color scheme for the whole house were white, beige, gray, black, and an accent of orange. We chose a different color scheme for the playroom and the kids' room to incorporate the kids' favorite colors. For the entertainment room, we dedicated a space where the family can build a wall gallery over time. To create an illusion of a larger space in the master bedroom, we quote-unquote concealed the closet by painting its doors with the same paint as the wall. The facade was designed by architect Sara Nieto. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. You may also follow us on Instagram at idr.zaina. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more interior design related videos. See you next video!